team. I think it's always interesting to look at what's going on in the field at any given time and also think about what the future holds. So, here is an interesting article that I recently came across in Accounting Today, and it's focusing on some input provided by Barry Melancon, who is the president and CEO of the AICPA. That's the Association of International Certified Professional Accountants. And he is exploring how he thinks it is important for the accounting profession to evolve. I really thought it was interesting what he says here, in that it's very important for us to evolve. We can choose not to embrace technological changes and service expectation changes, or we can choose to rethink and be the actual profession that constantly reinvents itself. Now, he goes on to say, for our profession to be successful in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, we have to constantly evolve. And he talks about some specific areas in which he expects to see some evolution in the future. And I thought it might be interesting for us to think about these areas as well as others. One of the things that he talks about is tax changes. He talks about enforcement changes, opportunities and risk in governmental auditing, fast changes in ESG. For those of you that may not be familiar with ESG, ESG refers to environmental, social, and corporate governance. The G is for corporate governance. So changes in those areas. We can also look at sustainability accounting there. He talks about the human capital pipeline. He talks about changes to the CPA exam and getting comfortable again with advisory. Now, here's what I want us to do. Instead of really looking at what he's proposing as the changes that we might see in these areas, I want you to do some brainstorming, and you tell me what you think are going to be some important areas of change in the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, however you want to approach it. You tell me how you think our accounting profession is going to continue to change and evolve, and what can we do as accountants to set ourselves up for success. So I'll look forward to hearing your thoughts.